Hey guys, welcome back to Streamer Gadgets, and today we are looking at an iPhone case made by this company named Carved. So what distinguishes this case from the rest is that it is made out of real wood. So opening up the box, inside we get the case itself and two thank you notes. So before taking a closer look at the case, let's see what these notes say. So in the first note we have a small carved sticker. We have the team that runs this company and a small card that states the fun facts about the company. We also have a small art figure and some other artwork, and it says thank you at the last. So the second card is also the same with some different artworks. So let's keep it aside and move on to the case itself. So here is the case, and on the inside you can see the signatures from various members of the Carved team. So here is the back panel, which is made out of wood. It gives a nice feel and texture to the iPhone. Other than that, rest of the edges are made out of rubber for providing the grip. So here's how the case looks with the iPhone inside, and you can see the edges are smoothly cut and it also feels quite nice in the hand. Moving on to the bottom, we can see that all the ports are easily accessible. We have this textured rubber finish on the side which increases the grip, and all the buttons on the side are easily accessible. This case has a really premium feel in the hand, does not feel cheap at all, and the power button also presses down as easily as it would without the case on. Also, what's really great about this case is that because it is made out of wood and every piece of wood has a different pattern, no two cases will have the same pattern on the back. What this really means is that when you buy this case, you'll be getting a unique piece and nobody would be having the same patterns as you do. So if you are interested in buying this case, there is a link in the description right below that like button. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for future updates.